ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 17 Gaming Laptop G732LWS-XS98. RTX 2070 Super. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. This laptop was well worth the wait. Crazy fast, amazing graphics, perfect for everything. I have been looking for a gaming laptop for several weeks now. As I was getting ready to pre-order an MSI, I saw this machine on Amazon with the exact specs I was looking for at a really attractive price. I jumped on it right away, and so far I'm extremely happy with the laptop. A gaming beast, especially spec'd out for esports, but runs basically any modern AAA game at over 100 FPS at high/max setting with RTX off and above 80 FPS with RTX on. Battlefield, Tomb Raider, Minecraft look really nice. Screen is the seller here with 300 Hz/3 milliseconds, which is good enough for anyone. I like the keyboard, not too mushy, good layout, and the trackpad is decent. Build quality, although mostly plastic, nothing to complain about. Pretty good. Speakers are average to okay, pity there's no subwoofer. Good enough to watch a movie. Noise, fan setup is actually decent, there's a dedicated function key to set the fans to silent, performance and turbo. Works pretty well, and the pitch generated is not annoying at all. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5 work. A charmed mess. SD is blazing fast plus some empty slots for extra storage. No SATA or HHD. Software-wise, there's some decent My ASUS apps to keep the device up to date, etc., and Aura for the RGB. Pros. Gorgeous display. Requires only one power adapter. 3M.2 slots, 1 empty. Blazing speed, UFO rating on user benchmark. LED lighting is a super nice touch. Not too thick, fits perfectly in my 17 inches laptop backpack. USB ports are nice and snug, stay connected when bumped. Overall sturdy design. Upgradable. Large screen. Fast GPU. Expandable storage. Wi-Fi 6. Cons. Pricey. No G-Sync. No Thunderbolt. No webcam. With a Strix SCAR 17 G732LWS, ASUS sells an extremely powerful high-end laptop, which unfortunately suffers from the typical weaknesses of this category. So this thing has managed everything my desktop does. I did a lot of research and nothing beats this. I liked the 17-incher very much. The SCAR 17 is ahead of most competitors in terms of display, 300 Hz, input devices, sound, and battery life. Overall a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.